Alright, so hey guys, today is the start of the vlog for Outside in Auckland 2021. So yeah, I just woke up and I'm gonna go pack now, and yeah, I'll see you at the comp. Bye guys. We are at the comp. We're just gonna walk and try find the boys. Oh, I see Liam. Liam. It's Liam Wadek. Hello, Ray. Oh, it's Dennis. It's Dennis. And here we have the comp set up. We just have a few tables and a few timers and mats. And yeah, we're gonna be streaming the comp because why not? And it's Dennis, Ray, Levi, okay. And subscribe to Gamer Cuba, okay. Okay, Gen, the one hand legend, and some other people. Yeah, it's around 15 more minutes until we start, and yeah. Stream, what's up? Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, I don't think we have anyone in the stream right now. But yeah, we're gonna start soon. Yeah, see you then. About to compete in Skewb. There's Alexander. Say hi. Say hi, Alexander.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Okay. See you after Skewb. Okay, I finished Skewb and I got like a low 4 average, which is quite bad. Yeah, not too happy with it, but next is Pyraminx. Yeah, but we have group 2 still, and yeah, we have these 2 famous people here.
I'm famous!
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Alright, see you. I'm gonna be scrambling Skewb group 2. And yeah, it's the comp so far. Okay, so we moved spot because there's shade here. As you can see, there's very nice trees, and there's the people. Yeah, yeah.
I need Skewb. Camera in, please.
Oh, yep. I'm doing para now. $246. No. Yes. 153.
153.
Let's go.
No problem.
Oh. Nice. What was it? Alright, so I'm done with para and I got a +2 in the last op and I dropped it, so And yeah, I got like a 2.5 average, but I got a 1.53 single, which is the North Island record, which is quite cool. We have some protesters over there. Wait, I'll show you. I'll zoom in. See, look. 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 Okay. Yeah, I'm about to start 2x2, but group 1's already happened. I'm gonna go. Okay, see you guys. Ready? $206.
Unsubscribe from the lies, you know.
I agree.
Like 5 minutes.
263. Yes. That's not bad. 164. Oh. Alright, so how do you do in 2x2?
Absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, so now we're doing 3x3 and yeah.
Like the video.
Again.
Yep, it's fine, that's fine.
Nice.
Oh man, I did 2. Oh, yeah. Wait, I'll swap cubes. With a V-pump? What?
You know.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Yes.
Oh man, how do you do that up out? So you go like this. Okay, so I DNF one of my times, which was like a 9.8, and that would have been like a mid-9 average, but I failed. But yeah, Cameron got a sub-9 average as well as Alexander. I didn't put him in 3x3, but it's fine. Yeah.
What are you having?
Sushi. We all got sushi and we're going back to the place to eat now. Yeah, next is 4x4. Why would you hurt a little girl?
She has.
Oh, the comeback!
Oh! Alexander only has.
No, no, no. No, don't.
Can I get Elias?
Behind you!
My storage is full.
Oh my Oh, what?
Did you stop it?
No. I didn't. It would have been like a low 6 if I did.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 7.8 with like a drop. Yeah, I failed every solve. Oh my. Yes!
Whoa.
Oh, Jade! Oh, sorry. No, wait. 7.48. Oh! 7.43. No way, bro! I didn't do the pump flip. What is that?
Again.
What?
Because
Oh, that's what I mean, like officially also. Oh!
Simple.
7.4, right? What? Why are you standing so close?